pool noodle because they were bigger.
What the F are
Wow.
they making
Those
now?
are huge. Wow. Those are really big.
Well, that's how mine is.
Right. And that's why it didn't fit in the car.
Yeah, it's not gonna fit in the car.
I know. It's stuck here too, this one. I can't.
So now hers is a little bit smoother.
Okay. Because hers aren't the
Because
paper
of the-
lanterns.
And yes, that's why I was gonna say.
So, yes.
And this is
We got it.
But what were you saying about it being smooth? What were you trying to explain?
so you see this?
Mm-hmm.
The smooth.
Right.
This is not smooth, you know, but it's more time consuming to put more like paper like that to get that shape.
Now, here's the deal though. We still have, so look, do you think you can finish those today?
Which ones?
Like doing what you're working on, like that part of it. No?
Oh, last night, let me tell you what, after our Zoom, I recovered this one because I had it in tissue paper and it was bumpy, like wrinkly. So I did this one, the box wrap, or whatever it is.
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, and I covered this one, part of this one, because I'm going to put my hand in there and straighten this out.
Mm-hmm.
And then this one, but I didn't get the top or this bottom part. My back was burning. It was 11. It's just, it takes so much time.
Right.
And then because you have to let it dry, that dry is killing.
I wonder if we could just put this outside tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Like the whole thing.
If it's
Because
nice,
what I was going to say is what if, like, because you said it's going to take more time. What if she put another layer on these tomorrow to smooth them out?
Okay.
Peace out. What do you think? You think that would work?
Yeah. You want me to put a piece on there so we can see?
Do you think the hot air balloons will make it to the party? Do you think time is on their side? Will Crystal stop attempting to make the progress go quicker? Find out on the next episode of Crafty Convos.